There are many different types of electrical repairs, and one of the most common is a blown fuse. To work on your electrical problem, turn off the main breaker panel. Then, disconnect all appliances and lamps. If you aren't sure how to connect your wires, take photos of them. This will help you remember how to reconnect them later. Here are some of the most common types of electrical repairs and the costs associated with them. Most electrical repairs are caused by outdated circuits that weren't built to power modern electronic equipment. You can usually tell if your circuits need to be repaired by multiple plugs occupying one outlet. But you might also have hidden electrical issues that are hard to spot unless you have a licensed electrician. When you are in need of electrical repairs, you should always seek the services of a licensed electrician to ensure that your home is safe. Some electrical repairs are relatively simple, but you should always seek professional assistance when handling electrical issues. Even simple projects can be dangerous and require the expertise of an electrician. It is best to consult an electrician before attempting any electrical repairs, as it's better to be safe than sorry. Make sure you read up on the basics of electrical repairs before getting started. You'll be glad you did. So, now you know what to look for when you're working with your electrical system. While electrical systems are remarkably reliable, they can sometimes have problems and require prompt repair. A damaged outlet or a loose wire is an indication of electrical problems. The faulty wiring could be the cause of flickering lights or a dangerous fire. A dead outlet can also be caused by a faulty light bulb or plug. Using a small electrical tester can help you identify the problem and determine if it's something that needs to be repaired. Many electrical problems are easy to fix yourself. However, they can be dangerous. For example, it's possible for you to accidentally flip an electrical switch while working on an appliance. Whether the problem is a faulty outlet or a dead circuit, a professional electrician can quickly pinpoint the problem and fix it for you. A professional electrician will know how to do all of these and more, safely and effectively. It's important to hire a qualified electrician if you're not sure how to do it yourself. A dead wall receptacle is usually an electrical connection. The electrician will need to open it to check the connection and trace it back to the panel. Usually, the problem is a faulty wire, and it will need to be replaced before it can function again. If you notice a dead wall receptacle, it's time to contact an electrician immediately. If it's a power blackout, it can interrupt normal operations. A tripped breaker can cause a power outage if it is overloaded. Luckily, these devices are designed to protect you from electric shock and other dangers. If you're not sure what's causing your electrical problems, you should contact a professional electrician as soon as possible. It's important to hire a professional in order to avoid unnecessary risks and damages. The right person will be able to give you the information you need to make informed decisions. Your electrical system should be safe and functional. If the electrical system in your North Olmsted home is overloaded or has a blown fuse, it's time to call a professional. In addition to a new fuse, a new panel can address other common problems. This way, your home will have a more consistent power supply, which is essential for safety and convenience. And if it's too old, you can upgrade your electrical system by upgrading your panels. During the installation process, you can inspect the outlets. The electrical system in your home should be free from problems. You should also test for power. Incorrectly installed outlets can be dangerous. If you don't know how to do this, call a professional. You should also have all the electrical equipment in your home checked to make sure that it is safe. If you have no idea what's wrong, you may need to hire a professional.